failing to sustain the upper levels. Nasdaq and Dow both got a good strong resistance on the upside at around 12,850 levels and at around 33,500 levels. Now what is going to happen today? What could be the behavior of these two instruments today? Which position we should take? Where to enter? Where to exit? I will try to say with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones, and the next video will be up before the US cash session. So do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Those who are interested into other commodities and markets including FTSE 100 or Germany and India, that is Nifty 50 or crude oil and natural gas, they can watch the other analysis as well. Let's start the day with US 100 first. See US 100 on the hourly charts. This was the highs there, 4 candles, 5 candles, failed to break this zone, then reversed and retraced strongly. Now here again 3 candles failed to go past this zone at 12,820. So only long entry is beyond 12,820 levels. Till the time it trades below 12,820, one can expect that it may continue to drop. Now see, this is after this one red candle, it is trying to retrace back a bit on the upside, may try to consolidate here at 12,750, 12,800 levels, and then a drop can be followed. So yes, till the time it trades above this zone today at 12,820, probably one can remain short and one can expect that we may see it dropping till towards 12,650, 12,600 levels. But this is just on the hourly charts. Let's have a more detailed look. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards and the MACD is wide divergent and is still bearish. The RSI is with a little bit of bullish bias with this two green candles. Now look at the 2-hour charts. The 2-hour charts are also indicative of same, only bullish or only bullishness here is seen at about 12,820 levels. Also lower highs are done, lower lows are done. It is trying to trade in this channel on the 2-hour charts. There is a probable resistance at 12,800 and 820 levels, only breaking which 12,820, which I will recommend you to go long, else it may try to continue the drop. On the downside, it can try to achieve 12,650 and 600 levels can be seen if it continues to drop, but there is a support at 12,650 which can be a very good support. Below that we may see it sliding strongly on the downside. The directional movement is on the verge of a crossover. The stochastic is still looking downside. The MACD has crossed over and it is still on sell. It is wide divergent and bearish there. I will be watchful, indicating more bearishness. Also look at the RSI. It is overbought and now again it is dropped but trying to retrace back a bit. So let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour chart. See, this candle after the end of a bullish trend indicates a little reversal, and these two candles getting reversed from 12,820 indicates that there is a possible resistance on the upside. Also this is what it is trying to do. It is trying to trade in this channel. It has achieved the lows there, and yes, if you find any entry at around 12,800, 12,780, go short there, and probably with the stop loss at 12,850 levels you can remain short, and then one can expect that it may try to drop till towards 12,650 levels. So till the time today it trades below 12,820, 12,800 zone, I will expect it to continue to drop. That is my expectation. But let's have a more detailed look at directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. It is still with the bullish bias. The stochastic has dropped drastically. It is trying to converge, crossover and reverse. The MACD has crossed over. This is just second red candle. There is a probability for it to drop more. And similarly, the RSI was overbought. Now looking downwards here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see here, it has got its resistance. We have seen lower highs. We have seen this reversal candle. At the end of this rally, we have seen this reversal candle. It has reversed since then nicely. Only long entry is above 12,820 levels, beyond which only one can expect that it may continue to rise. Else, if you get any entry to short at around 12,780, 800 levels, go short there. Then it may try to drop till towards 12,650 today, and in fact it can try to drop below those levels also. So take positions according, but have a look more into the daily charts. It is trying to converge. It is bullish here, but it is trying to converge. The 4-hour charts is trying to drop a bit. See the stochastic, but there is a point of conversion which is still yet to come here and crossover. The MACD is trying to cross over. That is one point on the 4-hour charts too. Once it crosses over, we may see subsequent red candles. The RSI is overbought too and hence looking downwards. Coming back to the daily charts here. On the daily chart, see, the observation here is, now look at this, the week started with the support at 12,700. It has tried to trade above 12,700 levels, and we have seen strong bulls yesterday where it has achieved higher highs. However, look at the previous candle, the body size is less than half of the previous candle, indicating that the bulls were not very much at control, though it rose. However, now the bears should take in charge there. But if you see it trading beyond this zone at 12,820, go long there, then 12,850 and 12,900 levels should be achieved today. That is one observation. Also, till the time it trades below 12,800, 12,820, one can expect that we are going to look forward to 12,650 levels, and in fact below levels can also be seen there. So how far this could go, I'll expect it to get a stronger support at 12,600 zone, which was a previously a very strong resistance zone. See, I told you 12,500, 12,600 levels are a very strong resistance zone for Nasdaq 100, and that is what we are seeing again. It may try to provide a stronger support again on the downside. Now look at the stochastic is near to, this is overbought here, it is converging, crossing over for a sell there. Similarly, if you look at the MACD, the high is done, the divergence is over, probably it may start to converge from here. That is the expectation here on the 4-hour charts. The RSI is trading flat, let's be watchful there too. So considering this, any long entry on Nasdaq 100 I will recommend is about 12,820 levels. Beyond 12,820 there could be a sharper rise till towards 12,850, 12,900, and then it can try to hit 13,000 levels too. On the downside, till the time it trades below 12,800, one can remain short for the target of 12,650, 12,600 levels. And if it breaks past this zone at 12,500, 600, we may see a sharper drop in US100. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 on the hourly charts is trying to reverse previous candle, failed to sustain the lower levels. Also, it is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands. So it is trying to reverse back a bit. On the upside, there is a stronger resistance, very strong resistance at 33,300 levels. We have seen previous multiple candles getting reversed from there. So only long entry I will recommend is beyond 33,300 only. At the same time, it can drop till towards 33,100 and 33,020 levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is near to bottom. There is a possibility of a crossover, and the MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish, indicating more bearishness to come in the coming candles. Let's have a look at the 2-hour charts there. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see the lows there are well connected on the 2-hour charts. And if you look at the highs there and consider this as the channel, the highs there on these 2-hour charts are at around 33,280, 33,300. So only long entry definitely is above 33,300. Till the time one can remain short, one should find the opportunity to short there. Now look at the directional movement is still bullish but trying to converge and crossover. The stochastic is trading flat, and if you look at the MACD is wide, divergent, and still bearish. So a probable convergence, if seen, can only be considered that as a probable reversal. The RSI was overbought on the 2-hour charts, and that is why we can see it trading with a little bearish bias now. Now look at the 3-hour charts. See, on the 3-hour charts too, it is trying to create the symmetry out there. And if you look at this, the charts, this is the reversal, this is the support here, and now it is trying to trade below this zone. So yes, a probable long entry is only above 33,300 for sure. Below 33,300 now, till the time it trades, I will expect it to go back till towards 33,000 levels, and below 33,000 there could be a sharper drop. So till the time it is trading below 33,000, I will not recommend you to go long. The directional movement is trying to converge, and it is still bullish there. The stochastic on the 3-hour charts is near to bottom. It is trying to reverse back a bit, and the MACD is white divergent and it is still bearish. It can try to converge a bit for a couple of red candles and then the drop could be seen. The RSI is looking forward to another bullish move. It is reverse, trying to enter into buy side. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, this candle after a long rally indicating a reversal, and that is what we can see the US30 trading in this channel. So only long entry, as I said, I will recommend is beyond 33,300 levels. If you see it trading above 33,300, then only one can take a long entry, else we can see further drops which will try to take it towards 33,000, and then below 33,000 the next support is towards 32,800 and 32,600 levels. The directional movement is bullish but trying to converge. The stochastic is near to bottom there. There is a gap for it to fill by and there is still a little bearishness can be expected. And if you look at the MACD, see the MACD is on the verge of a crossover and the next candle will decide it fate. Probably we may see more bearishness there. The RSI is near to overbought levels. Now coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, see what it is trying to do is probably, even if it tries to trade in a narrow range, we can see a little drop in the coming sessions. That is the expectation. Lower highs, lower lows, so it is trying to trade within this zone 33,300 to 33,100 levels. In between these levels one can remain cautious. Also this is the 50 period moving average which may provide a little resistance. If it breaks past on the upside, there could be a sharper rise. At the same time, there is a support here at 32,800, so it can try to drop till there. Probability exists that we may see it dropping till there. The directional movement is still bullish, trying to converge. The stochastic is overbought. On the daily charts, a little drop can be expected. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. It may try to converge from here, and the RSI is near to top there. RSI is trading flat there, so I'll be cautious. But at the same time, I'll again recommend till the time US30 is below 33,300, one can remain short. The target is going to be 33,100 and 33,020 levels. These two levels should be very strong support. Below that, we may see 32,900, 32,800 levels. At the same time, above 32,320, 330, one can go long. Then the target is 32,400 and above side, we can expect it to hit till towards 33,500, 33,700 levels. So 33,300 go long there, and 33 till the time it trades below 33,300, one can remain short. So take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading there. Thank you.